So today I want to talk about this hedonic treadmill, this fast track that our lives are on. When you eat a delicious chocolate cake, you get a short lived feeling of pleasure. But it's a fleeting one, nonetheless. Even if you won the lottery, for instance, this euphoria would fade away quicker than you would have thought. So we work very hard to reach a goal, anticipating the happiness it'll bring. Unfortunately, after a brief fix, we slide back to baseline, chasing the next thing we believe will make us happy. The next time, the next time. Emotion researchers have called it the hedonic treadmill. And there it is. Happiness, which we much prefer to feel as never ending bliss, becomes a fluctuating, fleeting experience. Actually, even from the evolutionary perspective, this is the way it ought to be. This is the way nature made it. It helps us move forward and, stay motivated. Just think about it. Perpetual bliss would undermine our will to accomplish anything at all, wouldn't it? If one slice of our favorite pizza satiated our hunger to such an extent that we never want to eat again, then how would the body survive? I think the problem lies in our definitions. We equate happiness with success. When you are not happy, you feel like you failed. Our culture breeds a razor-sharp fear into us of anything that is slightly uncomfortable. And that, we are told, is very wrong. So all through our childhood, we are taught the lesson that we ought to strive for everlasting happiness. It's a myth. It's a fairy tale. This brainwashed us into believing that one day a glimmering romantic lead would come into our lives and wrap us in this exuberant glow and rescue us from our discontent. We forget that a happy moment is just a happy moment, and moments are fleeting. This doesn't sound depressing. It actually can be quite liberating. We can put an end to the striving for an unreachable, elusive thing, and surely it will bring more peace in our lives. So learn to take the happiness pressure off and appreciate the entire spectrum of feelings, not just the easy and good ones. There is a vast array of wonderful emotions to choose from. Needless to say, I have had my share of, crushing despair and heavy sadness and stinging rejection and a very deep, hollow loneliness. These feelings hurt. They're not fun, but I know that, like happiness, they won't last. They will pass, and they are simply a moment in the big scheme of time. So I know you're wondering, what is the goal of all this? I don't know for anyone else, but for me, I want to make choices that help me become aware of what makes those happy moments and confidently hold the hard moments too. I want to learn to appreciate the beauty, the lessons, the sensations of it all, and to learn to be comfortable being uncomfortable. I know that feelings won't kill me. It's the running away that will. The truth is meant to be multifaceted. The epic highs, the pressing lows, the blocks, the failures, and the successes. It's all worth it.